In this video, I'll show you how to add a bucket in Microsoft Planner. In Microsoft Planner, a bucket is like a column or category on your board. Buckets help you organize tasks into groups, stages, departments, or project phases. For example, you can create buckets like To Do, In Progress, Review, and Completed. You can also use buckets for things like marketing, design, development, or client feedback. First, open Microsoft Planner from Microsoft 365. You can also open Planner inside Microsoft Teams if your plan is connected to a team or channel. Once Planner opens, select the plan where you want to add a new bucket. On the board view, you will see your existing buckets. Look across the board until you find the option that says Add New Bucket. This option is usually located to the right of your current buckets. Click Add New Bucket, then type the name of your new bucket. Choose a clear name that matches how you want to organize your work. For example, if you are managing a simple workflow, you might name it To Do, Doing, or Done. If you are managing a project, you might name it Planning, Design, Testing, or Launch. After typing the bucket name, press Enter or click outside the field to save it. The new bucket will now appear as a new column on your planner board. Now you can add tasks inside the bucket. Click Add Task under the new bucket, type the task name, set a due date if needed, assign it to a team member, and then click Add Task. You can open the task later to add more details, such as a description, checklist, attachments, labels, comments, priority, and progress status. You can also move existing tasks into the new bucket. Simply click and drag a task card from another bucket and drop it into the new one. This is useful when a task moves from one stage to another, like from in progress to review, or from review to completed. If you want to rename a bucket, click the bucket title and type the new name. If you want to remove a bucket, open the bucket menu and choose the delete option. Before deleting a bucket, make sure you move any important tasks somewhere else so you do not lose your organization. To keep your planner board easy to use, avoid creating too many buckets. Use simple names and a clear structure so everyone on the team understands where tasks belong. That's how to add a bucket in Microsoft Planner and use it to organize your tasks more clearly. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.